The immune system comprises various components, including primary and secondary organs, which collectively support its overall function. These elements work in concert to maintain human immunity. Bone marrow and peripheral organs are fundamental to the immune system's operation. They play a critical role in producing immune cells that actively respond to infections. The primary responsibility of the immune system is to safeguard the body against foreign antigens while maintaining homeostasis. It combats both external and internal threats, ensuring overall health. Antigens are classified into natural and artificial categories, affecting their interaction with the immune system. This classification enhances our understanding of immune responses. However, the immune system can sometimes erroneously attack its own tissues, resulting in autoimmune diseases. Recognizing foreign antigens is crucial to prevent these detrimental reactions. High temperatures can denature proteins, changing their antigenic properties, which may influence the immune system's response to specific substances. Moreover, high molecular weight proteins can activate the immune system, prompting a response against foreign antigens. This activation is essential for defending the body against external threats. It is important to note that the immune system's defense extends beyond external antigens. It also addresses internal antigens produced by the body itself. This dual strategy is vital for sustaining overall health. Interestingly, polysaccharides, although not proteins, can also trigger immune reactions. Understanding their role is key to comprehending various allergic and immune responses. The immune response involves an array of cells that collaborate to combat infections. These cells are pivotal in recognizing and reacting to foreign substances within the body. Antibodies are essential to the immune response as they identify and neutralize harmful antigens. This mechanism is crucial for maintaining overall health and immunity. Gaining insight into the immune system's operations can greatly aid in developing effective treatments and vaccines. This understanding is critical for tackling various infectious diseases. Immune deficiencies can result in heightened susceptibility to infections. Various types of deficiencies can compromise the body's ability to respond effectively to pathogens. Immunoglobulin classes significantly influence immune responses. For instance, Class A immunoglobulin provides defense within the mucous membranes of the respiratory and gastrointestinal tracts. On the other hand, excessive immune reactions can lead to hyperreactivity, a condition that may result in severe consequences, underscoring the need for balanced immune activity. Furthermore, the synthesis of certain proteins is regulated by hormones, including anabolic hormones that promote growth and recovery. Understanding these mechanisms can enhance dietary protein management. Protein is crucial for synthesizing immune cells that modulate the body's defenses against pathogens. Inadequate protein intake can severely compromise the immune system's effectiveness. Lastly, chronic infections may elevate immune activity, depleting protein reserves and creating a negative nitrogen balance. This depletion can further undermine the immune system's functionality.